It's been snowing quite a lot here in Europe, and outside it is almost negative 10 degrees, and it's been like that for the last week or two. And the news has been saying it's the beast from the east. But here today, I'm just doing a nice little craft job. Why not? I want to build a sled. Just a cardboard sled, something nice and easy that I can go around playing. And all those in Australia who've been to Fraser Island or Stradbroke, we can just make do with a cardboard box to go down the sand dunes and hills around there. And it's very much the same here in Europe, to just go play in the snow. And I want to build myself a nice little cardboard sleigh without having to spend too much money. So for material wise, just need scissors, good old duct tape, and I went to the shops, and when they were packaging the shelves and throwing away cardboard boxes, I asked them if I could have, just a standard grocery storage box, and I am using that to build my little sleigh. Obviously, if you can get yourself a nice large box with a bit of a glossy bottom, that would pretty much do. But for a box this flimsy, I don't know how long that would last before it gets too wet and sodden and pretty much fall apart. But the other technique that I have found on YouTube and various internet sites is just the classic cardboard inside a thick durable bag. Fortunately enough for me, I was able to grab a hold of a very thick bag. This one was used to hold salt, so everyone has been salting the driveways around the place, and even at the various stores they've got big large bags of salt, and after they've emptied it onto the footpaths and roads, I would imagine you can ask for a bag if they are throwing it out, and there you go, get yourself a pretty thick bag. So this is pretty much the size of a 20 kilo standard or 5 kilo bag that you find at any shop. It's very large, and I got a box that fits, and all it is just putting the box inside the bag, taping up the end. But for me, I'm going to make it a bit more comfortable. So I've already broken the end off, fold in the edges. One box was going to be sturdy enough, so I got a second box put inside. And to smooth out these sharp corners, which may cause the bag to tear, I also managed to acquire some of this foam padding material. And this just happened to be lying around at the apartment trash, since people are always buying furniture and cupboards and whatnot, and this is just plain foam padding that is always protecting those sort of things. So the idea generally for me is to tape from the bottom there to help cover the corners, and then bring it back to the front. And there you have it, folks. After doing quite a lot of slides down the hill, bag's still intact, and it is so cheap and easy to make, and I highly recommend it. It's just nothing more than a bag with cardboard box inside, bit of foam for padding, You can have fun most of the day as long as you find a nice, good slow or ice slope to go down, and if there's not too much underscrub or trees, bark, twigs, it won't tear the bag. And if anything, carry a spare little bit of duct tape with you. As you can see, it's managed quite well, and I've gone down that slide real long and far, so just as good as any store-bought sled. Remember folks, if you like what you see, click the subscribe button and follow me on the channel, and we'll find other adventures to do along the way when we're traveling.